Evaluate a cubed minus 5b plus b divided by ac for a equals -2, b equals 6, and c equals 3. So wherever we see an a, we're going to substitute -2. Wherever we see a b, we're going to substitute 6, and wherever we see a c, we'll substitute 3. So this expression would be equal to -2 cubed minus 5 times 6 plus 6 divided by -2 multiplied times 3. Remember, with the order of operations, we simplify inside of parentheses first. In this case, all of them are simplified. So then we take care of exponents. -2 cubed is -8. Then we write the rest of the problem as is. And now we take care of multiplication and division in the order that it appears from left to right. The -8 remains the same. 5 times 6 is 30, so we have -30. Then we have plus 6 divided by -2. 6 divided by -2 is -3. And then we have the times 3. So we still need to take care of that multiplication. -8 minus 30. -3 times 3 is -9. Adding a -9 is the same as subtracting a +9. Now we've taken care of all multiplication and division. We can combine the three numbers. -8 minus 30 is -38, minus 9 is -47.